Look at this beautiful little lamp that I made with feathers. This is what it looked like before I added the feathers. So let's make one together. Here are the feathers. They came with tape and stems, but you don't need the stems. It's really easy to stick them into the top of the shade. Let me just show you how genius these lights are. They come with a little strip of metal, and then the LED just comes right off the back, and they are rechargeable. I really love these, and they are color changing, as you can see, and you can dim them as well, or use them as white. And the shades just come right off the wall, like this, and you can see what they look like on the inside. And they ship just folded all flat, and this is plastic and linen. It's a genius idea. And these are part of a trend of sconces, wall sconces, that are just rechargeable and you don't need special wiring. But like I said, this shade was a little too utilitarian and plain, so I decided to make it look a little more elegant with the feathers. So let's make a second one. And here's the remote for these lights. So all I did was take a feather, and I started in the middle, and I stick it into the frame of the shade. Very easy, and I just go ahead and stick them one at a time. Oh, actually, I turn them around the other way, I should say. And this package came with 24 feathers, so I just put 12 on each shade. Like I said, they just stick inside of the frame like that. Very easy. So they came with these stems, but I don't need the stems. I guess I can use them for something else. And I felt like this gave it a kind of a 1920s flapper look, which my house is from the 1920s, so I think that's appropriate. Let's just do a couple more on this side. And this one, actually, I had put it on the stem, but I'm gonna unwrap it back off of this stem. It's pretty good. And we'll hang it on the wall. You can see it picks up the colors in the shade, and it looks like the shade is a little bit taller than it is. Okay, and then we take the light and just snap it in there. Very satisfying. And there we have it. I might arrange those feathers to be a little bit more splayed out. And let's put the color changing on. Let's see. I think it's this one. It's also got this flashing one, but it's a little bit distracting. Good for a party. Or here is white. White looks really nice. And let's put it back on color changing. Look how pretty that looks. And those feathers, the lights were about $20 for the pack of 2, and the light and the feathers were about $12, I think, for 24, so about $2 a feather. Quick and easy project, I love it.